Hello students, today we are going to learn a program based on a data type. The data type is basically the different values which can be given to a particular variable. As you know, a particular program begins with the stdio.h. stdio.h stands for your standard input and output header file. After main function, I have initialized the value a is equal to 11. Here, a is termed as a variable. The 11 is the value which it is going to hold, and 11 belongs to the integer data type. Int is a keyword which is used to represent integer data type. In a similar manner, in the second line, we are going to store the value m to the variable b. It basically says the value b is going to hold a value of type character. In the third line, we are going to store the value 11.5 which belongs to the floating point number. Now the difference between int and float is the integer value basically represent the whole number. Floating point value basically represent the fractional part. Now we are supposed to print the values. Printf a equal to percentage d comma a. This line basically says a is a variable which is going to hold the value of an integer type. So percentage d is a format specifier which is mainly used for the integer. In a similar manner, we can make use of percentage c for the character. So if we write b is equal to percentage c, so it says b is going to hold the value of type character, and in the third line we are going to display the value of a floating point number. So printf c is equal to percentage f comma c. So we are printing all the three different types of values: integer, character and the floating point number. Now let us run the program. After the execution, I am getting the value as a is equal to 11, b is equal to m and c with the value 11.5. Thank you.